So this is a BFSI company. This is the org chart of a BFSI company. And we are looking, let's look at the org chart where you see, along with humans, you are also seeing AI agents.
Hello, sir. This is Isha from Bank.
So,
may I
this is
ask
the
a few
agent.
quick questions to suggest the right investment approach?
हाँ पूछ लो.
क्या आपने पहले म्यूचुअल फंड्स में इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है या ये आपका फर्स्ट टाइम होगा?
नहीं, ये मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम.
This is an AI having conversation with a human.
कभी म्यूचुअल फंड्स में इन्वेस्ट नहीं किया.
समझ गई. फर्स्ट टाइम हो तो हम सिंपल बिगिनर फ्रेंडली कैटेगरीज से शुरू करेंगे. आपकी इनकम रेंज क्या है? 10 लाख तक?
And this is happening at scale
25 लाख से 1 करोड़
across the
या 1
organization.
करोड़ से अधिक?
मेरी इनकम 10 लाख के अंदर आती है.
धन्यवाद. इससे आपका रिस्क कंफर्ट समझने में मदद मिलती है.
So if you see, when this conversation was happening, Isha also followed, that's our AI bot, also followed basically
I
everything
the
around.
Status of my flight. Got a message yesterday that my flight is delayed by 1 hour.
This is an airline
Can
industry.
you please confirm the timing?
Of course, I'd be happy to help with that. Can you please provide your flight number or PNR to get started?
Yes, my flight number is TA757.
Thank you for that. Now, could you please let me know the date of your flight?
It's today only.
Got it. Let me pull up the information for flight TS757 from Kolkata to Bangalore. Thank you for your patience. Your actual departure time is 9 p.m. today and it's on time. I request you to arrive at the boarding gate 1 hour before your departure time, as the gate will be closed around 8:15 p.m.
So now from airlines, let's shift to, say, a healthcare company. And these are all live in action.
ओके, पर मुझे तो सिर्फ शुगर टेस्ट करवाना है.
बिल्कुल समझता हूँ आदित्य जी, लेकिन फैटीग या वीकनेस, कभी कभी थायराइड, विटामिन डेफिशिएंसी या लो हीमोग्लोबिन की वजह से भी हो सकती है. इसीलिए लोग ज़्यादातर फुल बॉडी पैकेज प्रेफर करती है. और अभी एक स्पेशल ऑफर भी है जिसमें अगर आप ये पैकेज करते हो तो आपको डॉक्टर कंसल्टेशन फ्री मिलेगा रिपोर्ट्स के साथ.
अच्छा ठीक है, लेकिन अगर मैं सिर्फ शुगर टेस्ट करूँ तो उसमें क्या प्रोसेस होगा?
बिल्कुल, आप शुगर टेस्ट जिसकी कॉस्ट 250 रुपये है बुक कर सकते हो. कंफर्म करने के बाद आपको व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज आएगा जिसमें डिटेल्स, पेमेंट लिंक और टाइम स्लॉट चूज करने का ऑप्शन मिलेगा.
ठीक है.
श्योर आदित्य जी, मैं दोनों ऑप्शंस की डिटेल भेज रहा हूँ. आप अकॉर्डिंगली लिंक पे क्लिक करके कंफर्म कर सकते हो और अपना टाइम स्लॉट चूज कर सकते हो.
So thank you so much for the visuals. So if you saw here, the AI is doing all the grunt work of the organizations. There's thousands of queries which don't get answered, like thousands of small questions which people have, so no more waiting periods across variety of industries. And humans get a chance to define these workflows, get a chance to do what only we as humans can do: imagine, create, and build new things. And these organizations which I see transforming so fast, we call them internally as the frontier organizations. And I wanted to share a few learnings around what are these frontier organizations and how are they operating. So most of the time, like basic orthodox learning says that you find your organization, figure out what are the places where you have bottlenecks, and you go and implement AI at those bottlenecks. But believe me, that will not work. What you need to do is flip the model. Think of your entire workflow completely AI first. You say that this is my workflow, and the whole workflow is going to be designed with AI. Now figure out in this workflow, what are the places where you will see this AI dropping, failing. This is the places you start injecting human capital. And this is the places which will also, so what that allows you to do is, that allows you to truly transform the business. AI will do the course, and at the same time, humans will own the relationship, which we are good at. The second interesting thing is we are seeing is the roles, the work itself is changing. So a lot of times we feel that, oh, AI is replacing jobs. No, the definition of work is changing across the world.